so we'll ask everybody if they want an update. We'll ask them if they want an update on in a couple weeks of what these look like and stuff.
There's a juice in here. I won't tell you my juice.
Oh.
It's not just water. There you go. We don't usually show a lot of propagation. This is not really a secret project. It's just, again, longer time period for it.
Alright, are these the ones that we just did last week?
These are some of them. These are ones I did after you left.
Yeah.
When I got down in the box more, they were a little bit better. There's probably, as you can see, some of them are better than others, but I'm going to be between 30 to 50% kill on those that didn't make it. Well, some trays are good. That tray is almost full there.
But these look good. These look healthy.
Yeah.
So these are the ones that Joe cut last week in last week's video. This is what they're looking like. I think they're looking really good.
There's another tray. So the cutting them was a lot better percentage.
Yeah, yeah, these look way better than the ones that you didn't cut.
So you can see the death in that one is probably 70% in that tray.
Oh.
So they're all different always. And normally if they would have come in good, we have about 100% survival. But
Joe got more spider plants in. This was a better shipment.
Yeah, these are the Hawaiians again. They're much better. We're just planting them up.
Oh my god, those look a million times better.
Well, this is what they're supposed to look like. Some of the others didn't come in so well either. I had two kinds.
Are these the ones that you redid?
Those are ones that we did a couple weeks ago. Those are the Bonnies there. Some of them are better in different spots than others.
But they're getting pretty big.
Yeah, I can actually probably.
I don't feel like mine that I took home has grown this much.
Well, you had one that was cut also, so
yeah,
we're gonna go over here to where we took them from.
Oh, okay.
So you can see a little bit better, and we can actually start pulling these out. These are getting a little more sun.
Okay.
These here, we had very poor success on most of these, which we expected when we got them. Okay. These are the Hawaiian ones. There's Hawaiian, there's Bonnies in here. You think you videoed more of the Bonnies than
yeah, whatever was curly.
Right, we did the Bonnies, but they all came in that same day, basically, and I was working on both that week. But these here, we had cut them back, and now they're finally rooting and taking. So now I have no concern of any of these that are alive at this point. But as you can see, the trays, the 72 in a tray, we probably have about 50%, which is horrible. Yeah. We should have 99.9% on spider plants because it's a stupid plant to root, really simple. The Bonnies might have been a couple days later. So this one, some of the trays are better than others. And these here are rooted and heading on their way now too, so they'll go about one more week and then we can start potting them up. When I got to the bottom of the box after you had left and did video that same week, we had got to the bottom and found some that were much better. I don't know, we just got lucky.
We're gonna check on the spider plants. Joe said most of them have already left, but
well, since there's not so many that survived, we've been shipping out the ones that have survived to the smaller growers that are buying them up already. So there's some behind you that are there. Those are the Bonnies. So.
Look at how good they're doing. Look at their curly cues. I moved mine, the one I took home, I moved it from a shaded area to an area under trees that gets a little bit of light and shade, and it likes it better there than just...
They'll take a little bit of sun, but not very much.
Yeah, it likes it better with a little bit of sun instead of just shade.
All of ours. We're just moving some over from the other property that we had in 4-inch pots earlier in the year. Because since we've been doing the videos, I'm sure people are going to be buying spider plants pretty good now, at least for a little while. And these ones through here, we've already changed this all around. But these are, they got to be weeded a little bit. But these are some of the Bonnies.
Oh yeah, they're doing good. Yeah.
Yep, it took very well. And then down here we have the Hawaiians. Most of the bad ones we did ship the trays, the trays that didn't do well. I don't want to say the bad plant. The trays that didn't do well, we shipped the 10 or 15 per tray to create space, and then consolidated the others so that we get them going. But these here are the Hawaiians.
These are nice and thick.
Yeah, and these are going to be nice and full and large. So these are probably just some of the better plants. Now this one here is a really cool plant because it will turn green later. And once it's done, then it throws off pups the babies off of it, and the babies will all be variegated. So and this is one of the largest growing spider plants there is. So probably because it turns green. And I want to show people how important it is to feed your plants. Because people are they think water is food, and it's not. You have to feed your plants if you want good results. And if you do that, you're going to find a big difference in them. So that's pretty much what I'm thinking that we're going to go for this week. And we'll run those different scenarios starting next week. We'll plant them all up. We'll let them watch us plant them. And we'll put the different food amounts in there and show them what we're doing. Maybe we'll do about 10 or 12 different plants and run the different scenarios and see which one gets to blooming faster, which one produces a bigger plant, and all that different stuff. So hopefully we're early enough in spring for all of our customers out there can pick that up and have a successful garden in there. Whether it's outside or inside, it's going to be the same thing. So maybe they'll have more flowers this year and more fruit.
Yeah.
So
awesome.
Thank you. Feed your plants.
Feed your plants.
Feed your plants.